a romance reveal book box. Now, I got this box last month, and I absolutely loved it. Now, there is different boxes or books that you guys can choose from. Like, when you sign up, you can choose, like, all the kind of romance ones you want. I just did anything. I don't care what it is. I love romance books. Now, there's 4 different options. Like, you can get it where it's a 1-book subscription, a 2-book, a 4, or a 6-book subscription. I did a 4-book, and I ended up paying $43.95 for this, but then you gotta also pay for shipping. But it comes out to be basically like a little over like 10 bucks a book. But one thing I liked about this is every book was signed, and I have only read 1 book so far. I've just been crazy busy, but I've read 1 book so far, and it was actually an author that was her first book. That was her first book, and I really liked it. I actually just posted a review on my TikTok channel. I'm going to start doing more book reviews. So I actually did a review on that, and I really enjoyed it, and she has like a new book coming out. So I told the husband, I'm like, can I subscribe to another romance reveal book box? And he's like, are you serious? And I says, yeah, I just love getting mail. That's one thing, and I love getting the surprises stuff. And if you guys know me, I am a hardcore reader. Lately, I have been reading about 14 books a month. That's the goal. I only need about 12 a month to hit my goal for the year, but I've been kicking it, and I'm excited to bring what it is. So like I said, this subscription is a 4-book subscription. It is $43.95 plus shipping. You guys, I have a referral link below. If you guys join, I get a better chance of getting more books. So definitely click it if you guys want to just try it out. I think if I do get another box, I might get the 2-book subscription. We'll see. We will see, but let's just dig in. This is driving me nuts. I want to see what I got. And one thing I do like about this box, it is so cute. It is pink, and it is cute. So let's just, voila. So it says, made with love, thank you. I don't want to cut my face off. The box really like burns out my face. It says, thank you for supporting our small business. Now I have the box that I have from last month right next to me, and they have a different sticker. So let's just open it up and see what we have. Okay, so this was actually the box or the book that I read already. It's Deliver Me by Ashley Hawthorne. Yeah, this was a book, and I actually really liked it. It was about a girl who ended up, she was a church girl. She ended up writing to a guy in prison, and then they fall for each other, and yeah, it was pretty good. It was pretty good. So right away, I smell a candle. I got this candle last time in my last box, but it is a soy candle, and this one is called First Love. Oh, you guys, this smells like a man. It's... Oh, it smells like man's cologne, but like a good smell. Oh my god, I want my husband to wear this cologne. Oh, that's good. So the company is called Candle Crest. It is Rockford, out of Rockford, Wisconsin, Rockford, Illinois, which is only an hour away from me. So that is good. That is good. Another thing that I actually want to start making is book merchandise. I want to make like some bags. I actually want to make totes. But this is a cute little thing. I actually made something similar to it that I've been drawing up. But it says books are magical. And it looks like just like a little, you know, little like tote or little pencil case or something. But this is cute if you have any kind of like bookmark collection or something like that. So got that. I also got a sticker that says, I think it says Stephanie Jenkins, and it's a cool little sticker. And then we got a kind of like it's kind of like a bookmark. Like these are bookmarks, but some bookmarks. Here we have a cool little luggage tag. It says Love Books, which is kind of cool. Airheads in a good flavor. I got another pen. It says Proud Romance Reader. Yes. Ooh, and then I got some lip balm. Pucker Up Book Lover. Ooh. It's not scented, which is a good thing, you know, but ooh, it's just like a little lip balm. So let's just dig in and see what I got. So like I said, I don't care what I read, and one thing I did like is the book that I read last month was a first time book and I absolutely loved it. I'm gonna start reading more. I just been crazy busy and everything. And the first book we got is called Undeniable by Crowdtap. The one thing I'm gonna complain about this book is it wasn't cut very well. Like the edges are very close to the end. They got large print, but like I feel like the book maybe got cut wrong, but that's okay. It says Noah doesn't pretending to be in love never felt so real. Noah doesn't believe in falling in love, and he definitely doesn't do relationships, but unless he can convince his future boss that his Playboy days are over, he'll lose out on his dream job. When his little sister's best friend suggests that they could pretend to date, it seems like the perfect solution, or it would be if she wasn't the only woman he'd ever made questions to his own rules. So that looks interesting, and this looks like it's a book too, so there is a first one in front of it. Then we have The Art of Falling by Melissa Tompin. I had a lot of plans entering my senior year of college. Dealing with Archer Copeland in any capacity was most definitely not on that list. The cocky quarterback and I have been at odds since last year when he posed naked for one of my art classes. Okay, so he was wearing a towel, but really, that barely even counts. Apparently he enjoyed how uncomfortable the whole situation made me and has decided that messing with me was his new favorite pastime. So, and one thing I do love about these books is they are all signed, you guys, and then they have like a stamp. So this one looks interesting. That one looks fun. I've read a lot of college books, so I'm happy with that. And then we have, it's a thinner book, but that's okay. Like, these are considered like short reads. This one is only, what is this? 173 pages. So this one is called Only a Kiss. All she wants is one little kiss from her best friend's dad. Rule number 1, don't fantasize about your best friend's dad. I am reading a book right now where a girl is having fun with her ex-fiance's dad. So this one looks kind of cool. I forgot, Only a Kiss by Cadence Keys, so we got that one. One thing is my husband's gonna be like, what the heck are you reading? Because like, I like to read discreet books, and like, I know there's covers out there. And then here is another one, Heaven's Rejects, Resolution, Heaven's Rejects MC series by Evelyn Page. All she wants is him, all he wants is her freedom. Ginny Azzo has never had an easy life, but for the first time, she's truly happy with where she is. Her focus is on her future with the man she loves despite her older brother's disapproval. And there's more to it, but yep, this one's signed too. Resolution. So this one, you know, one thing is I like about these books is they're not available through Kindle Unlimited, at least from what I've seen so far. But I'm really excited to read these books, and I will definitely be doing a book review for you guys if you guys are interested on my TikTok channel. I was debating on starting like a new like Instagram page or TikTok with just only books, so I don't know if that's something I'm interested in doing, but I'm pretty excited with these books. I did like my books that I got last month a whole lot better, but I'm still excited to read stuff that, number one, I would not normally pick because I'm a person who judges the book by its cover. So these will be books that I will definitely read, and I will definitely share with you guys on that. But I'm excited. I am super, super excited. So if you guys are interested in these books, you can look for them yourself. Otherwise, definitely subscribe it to for a month and just see what it is. Because if you guys are like me and you want to read more stuff, like I actually just joined a book club because I'm starting to read books that I normally don't read. And these would be books that, again, I might judge it by the cover. But you never know what the book is just by judging by the cover. And I can just smell this book. Like, that candle is so strong. It's a good strong. It's like, I want my husband to smell like that. But yeah, so this is the books that I got for the romance review box. I will put it down below in the description below if you guys are interested in joining. But again, If you guys click my referral link and if you guys join, then I get a chance to get a free book, which would be a free box, which would be awesome. And then every month that you do subscribe, you do get points, and then you can get a discounted box after your like 4th box or something like that. But yes, if you guys are interested in something like this, click the link below, but definitely follow me on my TikTok if you guys are interested in reviews. I'm going to start doing more reviews if you guys like that kind of stuff, or if you want me to see stuff on here, I don't care. But thanks for watching. Make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.